Mini laser marking machine is a very portable marking machine. The size of the whole machine is small and light, which can be placed on the desktop or at home. Ergonomic desktop design, easy to operate. Effectively improve the operator's work efficiency. High quality laser beam. Fine and beautiful marking lines. Fast marking speed to maximize profit per unit time and single order. The laser output power is stable and the reliability is high, which can meet the production requirements of continuous and stable processing for 24 hours. High electro-optical conversion rate, no consumables, maintenance free, saving a lot of cost for customers. Widely used in metal jewelry laser engraving, handicraft laser marking and engraving, metal parts laser marking and coating, some plastic parts marking and engraving, metal mold laser engraving and marking, mobile phone case laser marking and engraving, silver jewelry laser engraving, precious metals laser engraving, custom gift laser engraving, etc. Insert the power cord into the machine. Connect the machine to the computer. Turn on the power switch. Open the CAD software on the computer. If you need to enter text, click Fi. And enter the required text. Click Apply. You can drag and change the font size. Fill and center the font. The second step, find the best focus position. Draw a circle to find the best focus position. Fill and center the circle. To process the circle continuously, click Continuous Processing. Click the red light indicates that we can preview the range of the selected object to be marked. The red line frame represents the marking range. Click on the marking and twist the height of the lifting platform to reach the best position for marking. After the marking is completed, click Stop. Select the circle, click Delete. Select the text we need to type. Cancel the continuous processing. Put the material we need to type on the platform. And carry out the red light indication. Observe the position of the red light on the material. And adjust the size of the font. Turn off the red light indicator. And mark it. After the marking is completed, close the software. If you need to edit this file next time, you can save this file. Then turn off the computer and turn off the equipment. Widely used in metal jewelry laser engraving, metal parts laser marking and coating, handicraft laser marking and engraving, mobile phone case laser marking and engraving, laser lettering for electronic products, some plastic parts marking and engraving.